Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a shelf that you can hang keys on, your sunglasses, purse, whatever, and it will have a shelf where you can put some other stuff on top of it. I saw this shelf on Amazon and it's $17.88 and I'm like, oh, I can make that a lot cheaper. So this is what we're going to do. I already cut the pieces. I made them 2 inches longer than what is the bar that's going to go across the top shelf, and that way I'll have a little space on either side, so 1 inch on either side. So I bought this, and I'll put a link to this down in the description, also along with the hooks. This will be the back, this will be a shelf. I'm making two, one for myself and one for my daughter. And I'll hook it through, go on the wall, put the hooks down below, and this is where we put this piece as a guardrail. We'll start with hooking these two pieces together. All right, I'm gonna mark 2.5 inches down from the top, because that's where I would like the shelf to be. You can go with whatever width board you have done to determine the distance that you want. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this side, get the hole started, and then I'll go back through on the other side, just so I know that I'm going to be hitting the center of the board. Now if I turn that over, I can use that hole. Go up in. Sink it in good so it doesn't hit the wall. I'll do the same on this side. Alright, now I'm going to put in a couple more screws. Perfect. No splitting. Great. Alright, now I'm going to put the bar across to act as like the guardrail for whatever you put on your shelf so it doesn't fall off. This is a cabinet door handle, so I'm going to need to drill holes and then hook it up through the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark where I need my holes to be. I'm going to go 1 inch in on both sides, and then probably a 1/2 inch from the edge, maybe even less than that, maybe more like 1/4 of an inch. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I have my drill bit and I made sure it is the right size for these screws. I also measured with the screw heads like this and drew around the screw heads to try to get a little more exact of where the hole was going to be. I bet you have a more brilliant way to do that. If you do, leave it in the comments. So now I'm just going to drill straight down in the center of those circles that I drew. see if that worked. These are going to go up through the hole from the bottom. Get one started and then we'll do the other. Well, that's good. Lines up. Screw it in nice and tight. There we go. Has a little guard now. Put some stuff up here without it falling off, and it adds a little style to it. Except I did it backwards. Rinse and repeat. Want the shelf on the top, not the bottom. That's what happens when you do things late. Make mistakes. Luckily, this one is quick and easy to fix. There we go, much better. Now we have room to put the hooks on the bottom. And the next step is to add hooks wherever you want them. You can choose any kind of hooks you want here, what will work best for you. I'm gonna do 2 bigger hooks like this, and then I'm going to do a couple shorter hooks to hook string on for sunglasses or reading glasses or eyeglasses, but we'll hook this on there, and then that'll be a place to hang your glasses from. So I'm gonna go by what I think looks good. Don't necessarily have to measure unless you're gonna have a series of hooks, then you might want to measure. But since I'm not going to have that, don't necessarily have to. See what I think looks good. I think I'll go with something like that. I only put 1 screw in each hook, so that way I can kind of take a look at it, swing it if I need to straighten them out, which in this case I did need to move them just a tad. Then you can put in your second screw. This one only has 1 screw. I'm going to tighten it up pretty good so when I hook the rope for the sunglasses it won't swing in. Not moving. Good. Again, I'm going to make sure I have it where I want it before I hook it down in tight. The final step. Add a rope or a bungee for your sunglasses or your eyeglasses. I'm going to put one across here. Isn't that already looking great though? And just knot it. So it can be removed too. If you want to use the hooks for a different purpose, you could always take this off. And then the trick is going to be getting it really tight. I'm not like the best knot person, so I bet there is a better way to estimate this so it is tighter. That is not me. Not. No pun intended. Hopefully third time's a charm. Alright, I think that's gonna be nice and tight, and that's gonna work. Put it so you can see it. Right, now I'm going to cut off the excess string, and I think this is ready. There we go, shelf all ready to go. I'm going to give it to my daughter to hook it up in her new condo. If you have any questions or looking for what I use materials, it will be down in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.